Hello, Sir Z! Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay? So, yan. So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay, wala pang magazine. Okay. So, ito yung magazine. Nilagyan ko ng bala. Tsaka, nilagyan ko na ba ng gas to? Teka lang. Sure. Nakalimutan ko na. Okay. Meron na pala. Alright. Nilagyan ko ng bala tsaka gas. So, konti lang yung bala. Testing lang naman. Okay. So, test fire muna natin. Yung FPS niya, yung power. Tapos, accuracy test. Okay? So, ito yung kasama ng box. Meron siya dalawang backstrap, no? Tsaka pins for the backstrap. Okay? So, turning on the chronograph. Ayan, 00. Okay. Inserting the magazine. Trigger finger out. Okay? Firing. Okay, so medyo malakas. Ganun naman parati pag bago. Talagang medyo, ano siya, particularly malakas. Tapos pag normalize siya after a while. Yung mga 330, 340. Okay, so ayan, 343. Okay na yan. So good ang unit ng FPS test natin. Good, blowback test, okay. So ngayon, accuracy test naman. So yung test box natin is 2.3 meters ang distance niya from me. Ang size ng target, yung bilog, is 2 inches in diameter. Okay? So may bagong testing style tayo ngayon. Hindi ko na siya iniisa-isa. Binabaril ko na lang. Okay? So, yung target mo is second from the bottom right. Actually, kasi kulang pa ng bilog yung ako no? So, send ko na same picture. Second from the bottom. Kasi kanina kay Sir Alfred yung nasa bottom. So, sa inyo, yung second, yung nasa ibabaw. Okay? So, lahat ng pinuto ko nasa loob naman, pasok siya. Ayan. So, nag-open yung slide. Wala nang bala yan. Removing the magazine, okay? So, pulling back the slide, releasing, hammer down. Okay? So, ayan, Sir Z, okay na tong unit mo. So, ipapako na siya kasama ng mga ibang in-order mo na gas, bala, loader, lube. Okay? Para mapa-pick up mo na. Okay? So, ayun, sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great. Be good and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.